Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an ad that came out that could have confirmed that we are going to, in the future, be getting pets that we're going to be able to ride pets. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, if you didn't know, or you should know by now, they have changed the pets and the wizards creations. I'm wearing a morph right now so you guys can't see it, but the wizards have changed, and so have the pets. And they have said that they changed it so that they have more mobility with what they can do. Like the wizards are going to be able to do different things now, wear more stuff, I guess, and the pets can like wear stuff again too. So maybe one of the things that they left out is that you can also ride pets. But yeah, now let's go ahead and look at an ad that shows that you might be able to ride them in the future. Alright, so a few days ago, along with the new arena season coming out, we also got this ad. As you can see, there's a wizard riding Ember Shed, which is something that could have shown or confirmed that we are going to get in the future. Or maybe Prodigy is just teasing us again like they have done many times before. I will show you some other instances. So right here you can see that there is a wizard riding Smoldash. I'm pretty sure that is, or maybe that's a Pokemon. Alright, so I did get the name right, but you can see that there's a wizard riding Smoldash, which is another instance of a possibility that we are going to get to ride pets in the future. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.